Hi my beauties, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Pallavi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be creating this purple pink glamorous Raksha Bandhan look. If you wanna know how I create this look, so please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification over there to get more video updates. And if you wanna recreate this look, if you wanna try to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. My socials are linked down below in the description box. You can go and check it out over there as well, and do follow me on that. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. I have already done with my brows, and now to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Its shade I'm gonna be listing down below. You can go and check it out over there. With the help of a flat concealer brush, I'm applying it onto my eyelid by carving out my eyebrows. To blend this concealer out, I'm gonna be taking a damn beauty blender. This blender is from Real Technique. You can use any beauty blender, and dabbing over my eyelid to blend the concealer out. To set my eyelids that it won't crease, I'm taking Sivana Colors Compact Powder and applying it with the same damn beauty blender onto my eyelid. For my eyes, today I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette in pink. Look at the beautiful palette, and the satisfaction moment is here. So satisfying. Look at the beautiful packaging, beautiful colors, guys. First I'm gonna be taking this purple shade and applying it onto my lid. It's so pigmented. This is gonna be my transition shade, and I'm applying it onto my eyelid in circular motions. For my next shade, I'm taking this pink shade over here and taking with a small blender brush and applying it underneath my purple shade. This will create a 3D effect like purple to pink or pink to purple. To complete the hello eye look, I'm gonna be taking this purple shimmery shade. Look at the shade, it's so beautiful. I'm applying it on the center of my lid with the help of my finger. This is my personal choice that I'm applying this shimmery shade with the help of my fingers, because I believe that shimmer shade will blend easily with the help of your fingers. But if you want to use a brush, it's absolutely fine. You can use either your finger or either your brush. To highlight my inner corner, I take that baby pink shimmery shade and highlighting my inner corners of the eyes and also the brow bone. For mascara, I'm going to be using MAC mascara. This is a sample size mascara. I got it in a package when I ordered some MAC products. To prime my face, I'm again using MAC Prep and Prime in mini sample size. This is again came in that package as well. For foundation, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Its shade I'm gonna be listing down in the description box. You can go and check it out. I'm applying it all over my face with its own spatula. I'm blending this foundation out with the same Real Techniques beauty blender. And now to conceal the area where I want to highlight, I'm again using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Its shade I'm listing down below. With the help of a flat concealer brush, I'm applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, around my mouth, and under my cheekbones as well. To blend this concealer out, I'm again taking Real Techniques beauty blender and dabbing it all over my face. To set concealer in place that it won't crease, I am taking Laura Mercier's loose powder in the shade Translucent. I'm taking it on the same beauty blender and dabbing into my skin because I crease so fast under my eyes, and also setting around my mouth as well. To give dimension to my face, I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the shade Cocoa and applying it under my jawline, under my cheekbones, nose, forehead. To blend my contour out, I'm taking a flat contour brush and blending my contour. Please do remember, when you contouring your cheekbones, do blend it upward direction, and when you are contouring your jawline, blend it downward direction. This will give you an illusion of a small sculpted. To set my contour in place, I'm taking Sivana Colors Pro Ultimate Trio palette and taking this bronze shade and bronzing up my face and setting in contour place. To add little bit rosiness onto my cheeks, I'm taking Faces Canada Glam On Blush and applying it onto my cheeks. To add that natural glow on my face, I'm again using Sivana Colors Ultimate Pro Trio palette and taking this highlighter shade and applying it onto the high points of my cheeks, nose, cupid's bow, forehead, where I want to highlight it really well. For my lips, I'm gonna be using Goddess by Mana Kader in the shade Dreamy and applying it onto my lip. I think that the shade is too dark. To balance it out, I'm using Huda Beauty's Mini in the shade Bombshell and applying it onto that Mana Kader's Goddess. To set my entire face, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray and spraying it all over my face. And here's the final look, you guys. If you like, please give a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell out there. If you try to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. I have listed my socials in the description box down below. You can go and check it out over there. For your convenience, I have been listing all the product details in the description box down below. If you wanna know which products I have been used, please go and check it out over there. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you with the brand new one. Bye.